See what she sounds like with nothing but cat.
Sound like old ragged out ass Z71. Well, this thing is collapsed now.
What's going on, everybody? So this is an older video that me and a buddy of mine did. We did some exhaust on this truck a while back, and I thought I had lost all the video clips because they wasn't under my videos. I couldn't find them. But I was digging around on my phone the other night and I found all the video clips. Well, most of them. I'm still missing a few, but I found most of them under another folder labeled images. I don't know how the hell that happened. But yeah, fortunately I was able to find it. So I've been working on getting it edited. Like I said, still missing a few clips. I don't know exactly what happened to them. Didn't have no intro or nothing. So I figured I'd make one real quick. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. And we're gonna get on into it. Got that.
Shop floor.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. The oversized shop floor. Getting upgraded around here. What kind of muffler is that?
Like a foot race board or whatever.
You just gonna run them out with some tips?
I'm gonna try to cut them back resonators off. I know shit.
Get up there.
I'm gonna put you up there.
Yeah, he don't want no help from nobody.
That a muffler?
Exhaust pipe.
There's more exhaust pipes in there.
A bunch of different bins. I guess the same thing in that box.
Oh yeah, bought a whole kit, huh?
Yeah. I bought two. I thought about running it where them big flanges are under there. Goes from the flanges back. Do you remember how this truck, the pipe over there is smaller than the one over here for some weird ass reason? In my experience, that's easier.
Yeah, it'd be pretty cool there. Flare them out. Yeah, got all the fancy shit.
I've had this shit forever waiting on my damn truck. Bought a little bit at a time. These motherfuckers are expensive.
Oh yeah, them tips. Yeah, they don't play around about them jerkers.
I'm
proud of them.
Somewhere right here, kind of aiming down like that.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I like that. I was thinking about running them out on my C10, kind of like that. I was wanting to do daddies like that, but I just left them straight out how they already were.
Yeah.
Cut the old pipe out, mufflers. Cut the two secondary cats off. Now we gotta start running pipe. Working on.
Have glue stuck here.
You done about got this thing tore apart, don't you? Got all our bins here. We're gonna start figuring out what needs to go where and all that good stuff. Passenger side should be easy. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Alright, that piece over there. One piece here. Great piece. There.
Does it fit over that good or is it too big?
Yeah, so, I mean it's a little loose, but we'll make it work.
Wanna see what it sounds like without any of them?
Why not?
Why not? It ain't no louder. I know without the mufflers at all, it's not any.
Well, them cats right there, I'll quieten it down a little bit. Take them mugs off, it'd probably be pretty
Push
loud.
up on that damn drive shaft right there.
There's your noise up there.
Sure is. Huh. I noticed it was hanging, that's why. That's a brand new center bearing.
See what she sounds like with nothing but cat. I don't know, it's still pretty loud.
Sound like old ragged out ass Z71. That just made me sick in my stomach.
Might have to cut a little bit off of this one. That's about where this one needs to be. Maybe cut a little bit off right here.
Yeah.
Alright, we got this one here fitted up. This will be for the driver's side. We'll go ahead and weld her out. You want to unhook your battery?
I don't know. Should I?
They say you're supposed to when you're welding on shit, especially computerized. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
When they put exhaust on it that one time, they didn't unhook my battery.
Yeah. Come around here and get the long piece. Hot, 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 hot. Yeah, she's nice and toasty. I mean,
Right there in the
we
middle.
let it cool off for 45 seconds. I don't understand. Ready? We'll burn up our floor.
Leave that motherfucker alone for a minute.
Yeah, we'll let it sit.
Some bitch is hot.
We'll let it sit longer than a minute, I reckon. Well, hell, the manifolds on these are kind of like headers.
Yeah.
It's got tubes on them.
Yeah, they look like little shorty headers. That's to the that's something for the transmission.
Little bitty fucker in it.
Might be a filter.
Skinny.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. They look like a standard transmission. That's how small they are. They strong though.
Alright, making a little progress. Got this one tacked up here, trying to get it situated. We got the driver's side here, got it all welded out. About to stick that one up here, get them tacked up, figure out where we're going to put the mufflers at, right there somewhere. And then we'll keep moving on back that way. Got that bar right up there. Probably up a little bit on this end right here. Ready?
If I have to, I can cut these steps up.
Use that one. Oh, fuck my belly. Oh, yeah.
Got this hanger, but I don't know how it's gonna work out.
Ready? Not too bad. I mean, it's a little Perfect, but I'm laying on the ground. Oh, nice fancy shop floor that we burned the hell and back. Now the fun part, going over them damn.
I don't think that's gonna be bad. I think what's gonna be bad is trying to go around that tire.
Yeah, I was looking at that one go.
These are gonna be a hell of a gap. Feel dude.
Yeah, a little bit of a gap in it.
Yeah, it's good. It's 2.5. It's 3 inch.
Might have some one adapter.
That's what I had. And this side was them adapters.
Yeah. I mean, I can weld that up. It'll just be take a little bit longer, but I can weld it up. See what it sounds like that.
Yeah. We got it above the frame, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it looks too bad for what we got so far.
It's a little bit loud.
Yeah, it's louder for sure.
Got some of that restriction off that bit. We got a full one there and a full one here.
Alright, so as you can see, we got the mufflers and all on there. All that's welded up. All I gotta do is weld it up there. And we got it hooking to the factory exhaust. And he's cutting some stuff out now. That way we can go from the mufflers over the rear end and dumped out the back. So there's the finished product. Like I said, still got to put a hanger on this side and one on the other end. We got a piece of wire we're gonna put on it for now until we can get a hanger for it. Yeah. Rev limiter one time. Oh, yeah.
What thing clap now?
Clap some cheeks.
It's shaped now.
Hell yeah, looks pretty damn good if you ask me. We still got to put a hanger on this side, as you can see. It's a little dangly, but it looked pretty even to me. I think we did a pretty damn good job. Come out pretty even. Once you lift that passenger side up, put a hanger on it, I think that'll be about perfect. Yeah, you can't even hardly hear it in here. Not right now anyhow. Well, there she goes. What do you think?
I think that thing is louder than my truck.
Yeah, it might be, huh?
It definitely is.
Alright, we're going to end this one off right here. Hopefully y'all somewhat enjoyed the video.